otherwise known as Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001. Hereby recommend for your approval the graduation of 51 grade 6 candidates, of which 25 are male and 26 are females. I certify that they have satisfactorily passed and completed all the necessary requirements for the elementary school as prescribed by the Department of Education, its obtaining orders, issuances, and policies on the matter, and Republic Act 10533, otherwise known as an act enhancing the Philippine basic education system by strengthening its curriculum and increasing the number of years for basic education, appropriation funds, therefore, and for other purposes. I petition that their completion